And now for something completely different. Heading out to hike. Ron's going to do a little practicing the camera since he has a big trip coming up. So he's got one GoPro.
Sandia National Forest. A little bit of rain up here last night, so let's see how it goes. I think we're going to do Tree Springs Trail today. Robin's filming with her GoPro. I'm filming with the older GoPro. Getting ready for my trip coming up, so make sure I take my time on my pans and the dog wrapping around me. So we're taking the access road up and then we'll loop back on the actual trail since they rerouted it. We got some flowers here.
Right now we're just following the service road to the tram. This isn't a road you can drive on. It's one they use for bringing supplies up for the buildings. Really quiet this morning. And we're arriving at the tram station now. There's the ski area lift system for some of the ski lifts. And that big gray thing up there, that's the 10-3 restaurant that was built overlooking Albuquerque, so we'll be able to see over the edge up there.
Still heading up the access road up towards the tram. So what they used to bring all the supplies up for the 10-3 restaurant when they were building that. Robin's back here somewhere. That's a propane tank. Holy smokes. Huge. We got a squirrel up here on the rock. We'll see if he takes off. And a chipmunk before we get there. Nice views up here though. Got the patio blocked off. They don't want you coming in that way, but here is the view. Off to the south. There's the Kiwanis Hut up on the, right about there, up on top.
I suppose you want to wait till the tram comes out, right?
Should be the first tram of the day coming up.
No, there's,
Maybe the second,
yeah.
since there's people up here. In the view on the other side, looking down the ski area and out to the east.
There's the stairs, and there's the tram. Here's the restaurant. And the views. Oh, there's the Kiwanis cabin up there. It is a beautiful sunny day. Absolutely gorgeous.
Side excursion done, up to the tram and the 10-3 restaurant for the views. Now we're off back to the trail. Trail number 9. Who's this? I have no idea why I said Tree Springs Trail earlier. It's obviously Rocky Point Trail that we'll be taking. We haven't been on Tree Springs in years, so we're going down that way. Lots of shade. So we'll see some wildlife. Someone buck, mule deer on the way up. No footage there, so it didn't happen. trail also serves as snowshoeing and cross country during the winter. That's why you see these blue diamonds on the trees. Help mark the trail, keep you on track when it's covered in snow. Some odd fungi.
So we're on Rocky Point Trail now, and we had a rainstorm last night. It was our first good rain that we've had in probably a month. So instantly into the shade here, the temperature drops and the humidity goes up. Wow, like night and day from the trail out in the sun there. Incredible. This is a really shady hike, and it's not that long, only a mile, but it'll get us back to the parking lot.
We can do that.
So how's it going? Really?
It's going well. How's it going for you?
Good. I love this trail.
It's nice. It's got shade. It's soft.
Yeah, it's soft because the trail is covered with broken down pine needles and bark. So it's spongy, but that's also a bad thing because every now and then you'll step down and you'll sink a half an inch. So otherwise it's really cool on the feet. It doesn't make your bones hurt.
Forgiving.
It's very forgiving to the feet. And Dylan, what do you think of the trail?
I like it.
Dylan? Yeah? He's like, get going, Mama, get going. And that's what you call a widowmaker. I think, don't stop underneath it. Get out of the way, I'm gonna run up the hill. We made it. Oh, look at that thing though. Holy cow. That's gonna make a loud boom when it comes down. Oh. On we go.
We're approaching the parking lot. Trail comes back out. So this new entry area to this trail actually is a little bit nicer than the up the road walk and back out that way. Yeah. Boom, there it is. No e-bikes.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different than our usual videos, but please give us a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and found the information useful. If you're interested in what we do, camping and hiking and all types of adventures, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos coming up soon. We have some new adventures coming up very soon, which we hope you'll enjoy. So as I always say, get out there and hug a tree, and thanks for watching.